passive automation that can work for anyone. This is the Bitcoin space or the cryptocurrency space. Hi, my name is Erik Burton. I'm going to show you right now how I make a withdrawal every week from this specific platform, and I've been doing it for the last almost year now. And I started out with $100 is all I started out with. And so once you see my process here, you're going to realize that, you know what, $100 can go a long way if you direct your specific goals to what you want to accomplish. Okay, so I'm going to go into my office here and go to my wallets, and I will scroll down. You can see I have several different wallets in here, but I'm not going to explain too much specifically, but I will say that I have a register wallet, and this is my weekly earnings only, okay, from that register wallet. I have a commission wallet that I earn commissions outside of my initial Bitcoin earnings. And then I have a BTC wallet, which is my Bitcoin earnings for the week. And as you can see, Bitcoin earnings for the week is $569. This is all on autopilot. I don't do anything. All I've done is initially invested $100 to start, and over time it has accumulated, and that's basically all I've done. Okay, and as you can see, it gives you information on the daily mining rewards and ranking rewards in Bitcoin specifically. So I'm going to go and do a withdrawal, and I will put in this right here to max it out. I will click on my wallet that has already been put into the back office a long time ago. I sent it to the same exact wallet, and I make sure that everything is processed there. See that? And then I'm going to continue. Okay, now we can see that it's going to send an email verification request, so I'm going to respond to that. That doesn't really matter because you will never be able to get the same exact numbers again. Okay, I'll be back in one moment. Okay, I'm ready. We're going to click. And as you can see, the withdrawal has been submitted and being processed. It takes about a day or so, and it goes directly into my Bitcoin wallet. Now, as you can see, the wallet is zeroed out. Let's go to my other wallet. We're going to do the same process with my commission wallet. I will withdraw. I will select my TRC20 or Tron wallet. There we go. Click here. I've got to do the same process. I'll be back with you in one moment. Okay, I've got that second verification. Let me click on continue. And we have withdrawal submitted in that specific TRC20. So they will send that also to the same address that I specifically requested. Now, for the third wallet, what I normally do consistently with this register wallet is I use it to send to other people who have signed up under me and or with me. Click in the link in the description below to get started for free. Okay, you don't have to start with $100, but you can sign up for free. And my specific recommendation is starting with $100, or you could start with $1,000. And all the information will be in the link when you click in the description. But what I normally do is I issue this money out to people that are under me so that they can help buy more bit boosters in the process of increasing their Bitcoin income on a daily basis. Okay, so I'm definitely doing my part as much as I can to help others earn income online. So click on the link in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe and click on the link. Connect with me, and I will do my best to help you start earning income specifically via Bitcoin online as soon as possible. Have a great day.